Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, the premier pre-owned RV dealer in the Southeast. We're excited to present a 2008 Fleetwood Providence 40E with only 52,000 miles, in excellent condition inside and out. Priced at just $79,900, this 41-foot diesel pusher features a rare exterior kitchen option, ideal for outdoor family camping adventures. Let's explore the exterior to see why this RV is adventure-ready. With just 52,000 miles, this 2008 RV is primed for many more journeys. Built on a robust Freightliner chassis with full air ride suspension and air brakes, it offers a smooth ride, enhanced by updated 2022 Michelin tires all around. An 8.3-liter Cummins ISC diesel engine delivers 360 horsepower and 1,050 foot-pounds of torque through an Allison 3006-speed automatic transmission for plenty of power whatever the terrain. An Onan 8.0 quiet diesel generator provides reliable off-grid power when you can't plug in. The easy-to-clean exterior stands out with a full body paint in the iron graphics package, designed to impress at any campground. A standout feature is the exterior kitchen, a special edition with a mini fridge, stainless steel countertop, and sink, perfect for outdoor meals or campsite gatherings. Ample storage comes from pass-through basement compartments, ideal for camping gear. An exterior entertainment center on a power with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo is great for outdoor relaxation. Power patio, door, and window awnings, plus slide toppers, ensure protection. One-touch hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls simplify setup, and rear and side cameras with an in-dash monitor ease navigation. Dual roof ACs and dual gas furnaces maintain ideal temperatures, while a 50-amp service with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects ensures consistent, reliable power. With 52,000 miles, this Providence is ready for family trips with the proven reliability of a Fleetwood-built RV. Step inside to experience why the 2008 Fleetwood Providence 40E is a restful haven for travelers. With only 52,000 miles, this 41-foot diesel pusher offers a spacious interior that sleeps up to 8, perfect for family escapes. The 40E layout combines comfort and clever design, creating lasting memories on every trip. The kitchen is crafted for culinary ease, equipped with a residential fridge and freezer for fresh supplies, a residential sink with a modern faucet, a gas stovetop and oven for hearty dishes, a microwave for quick meals, and abundant drawer storage. The living area, expanded by 3 large slide-outs, includes a pull-out sleeper sofa with an inflatable mattress, a jackknife sleeper sofa, and a booth dinette that converts to extra sleeping space. A 32-inch TV above the front seats ensures entertainment for all. At the rear, the master bedroom is a quiet sanctuary, featuring a comfortable queen bed for restful nights, a 32-inch TV for relaxation, and generous drawer storage for essentials. This private retreat is ideal for unwinding after a day of adventure. The 1.5 baths offer exceptional convenience. The private half bathroom includes a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan for quick stops. The full-width rear bathroom impresses with a large shower enclosure featuring a glass door and skylight, a sink and vanity, a toilet, a combo washer and dryer, a spacious wardrobe closet, and a power vent fan for a refreshing spa-like feel. Notable features include a Dirt Devil central vacuum system for effortless cleaning and dual-roof ACs with dual gas furnaces for year-round comfort. With 52,000 miles, this RV delivers family-focused amenities with the dependability of a well-maintained vehicle. The 2008 Fleetwood Providence 40E, with its low 52,000 miles, is a remarkable find. Powered by a 360 horsepower Cummins engine on a Freightliner chassis, it boasts a roomy interior with 1.5 baths, a queen bed, and a rare exterior kitchen, designed for family fun and comfort. Priced at $79,900, it's ready for unforgettable journeys. Contact Porter's RV Sales at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com for more details. Thank you for joining us. Here's to your next adventure.